Hey everyone, I'm Thom with leadstolisting.com. Today I want to share a strategy with you on how to revitalize and essentially re-spark conversation and opportunity with old leads. These are leads that you may have generated over the past 6 months or a year, but haven't been able to convert and get in front of for maybe a listing appointment. So these leads, maybe you captured them on your landing page, maybe it was a property search or an open house. Well, today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook strategy, an ad campaign that gets you back in front of these leads and then takes them through another process to re-spark a conversation. So let's take this time and let's dive in. All right, now we're inside Facebook and we're going to show you how to create a campaign and strategy to engage and connect with old leads that you may have captured over the past 6 to 12 months. Now that we're inside of Facebook, I'm going to go into the ad manager right here. And our main goal inside the ad manager is to take the email list that we have and upload that as a custom audience. So how you do that is we're going to click on Tools up here, go to Audiences, and from there we're going to create what's called a custom audience using the custom audience feature inside of Facebook. What that's going to do is allow us to actually create a custom audience that is a target audience that we're going to use as we create an ad. So now the customer list, we can upload the emails through here. We can upload a file, copy and paste from a list, or import from MailChimp if we have them inside of MailChimp. For us, we're going to upload a file. So I'm going to go down here and I'm going to search for a certain list that I have and drop and drag and then create that custom audience. Now I'm also going to rename this audience. That way it sticks out for you specifically. So I'm going to say old lead list. Now it takes up to 30 minutes for this list to show up sometimes inside of your actual Facebook ad manager. A few next steps here, we can create an ad using this audience or expand your audience. Expanding your audience means matches the emails to that audience and gives you basically kind of an option for a much larger range matching that kind of audience type. For us, we're going to go ahead and dive into an ad that we already started to create inside of the ad manager. So I'm going to click over here in the left hand corner to manage ads, and I'm going to go down to an ad that I already started to create, and we're going to go in and edit this ad set. So anytime you're creating a new ad or if you have an existing ad, the best place to start is targeting, to really refine who our ad is going to go after. So here, under custom audiences, this is the audience that's only going to be shown this specific ad. So for us, we're going to type in that old leads list, and you can see I have about 3,400 people in that, 3,400 emails that we have collected in there. So if you can see over here, it's going to have a potential reach of about 2,500 people. It's not going to get exactly everybody inside of Facebook, but it's going to get a pretty good reach. So it does that with Facebook. It has sometimes about a 70% match of the emails that we're using, but that's still pretty healthy. No matter if it's 50 leads, 100, or 2,000 leads, it's still a good list. So this audience is now uploaded here. These are all the emails, old emails that I've collected over the past 6 to 12 months. And the ad that we're going to run is going to be shown just to these people, just this email list. So I'm going to go ahead and save and close. Now I'm going to go back and take a look at the actual ad that we're going to be running. So the ad that we're going to be using is a home valuation style ad. This one has a beautiful imagery of the baby boomer couple, nice overlay with some text there, and it says selling your home for less than what it's worth is sadly more common than you think. This is a nice way to kind of provoke them a little bit, provoke the idea of, is my house worth what it is in today's market, and try and re-spark some engagement with those older leads that we have. So I'm going to check it out and see what it looks like actually in the newsfeed desktop, and it looks pretty great. It stands out and has everything there. So now let's take a look at the exact ad that, where this is going to link to. So if someone's clicking on this ad, the list that we've uploaded, which are the old leads, are going to see this. They click on that, it's going to take them to this landing page. This is a leads to listing landing page, home valuation style landing page. And you can see we use the same imagery, the same baby boomer photo couple, because that's the demographic for some of the leads that we have. And we have how much could your home sell for. So just to kind of recap, what we're doing is we are sending people from this ad over to this landing page. And to recap again, we uploaded an old email list of leads that we had captured. And those leads can be from anywhere, any email list you may have. It can be something that was on a property search, or emails maybe your whole team has gathered over the past couple of years and you just want to spark them again. The goal that I'm trying to do here with this is I'm sending people over to the home valuation website. One, so I can get them on a drip email campaign and re-engage with them using some lead nurturing. Two, also to be able to connect with them again and remind them that I'm in real estate and I want to show them how the market is and what's going on and keep it in front of them. So essentially that is how you take old leads and create a quick custom audience and campaign to re-engage those old leads that you have and get them in front of you.